And we're live. Awesome. Hey, KicknGravelers. Welcome back to the Bitcoin market update. Today is Saturday, December 15th. Yes, we made it to the weekend. We're here. Got a busy day ahead of me. That's why I'm going to do this short and sweet. We're going to make it brief here. Cheers to you guys. Let's get rolling on Bitcoin. BTC USD on the one-day chart for Coinbase. We are currently at $3,147, experiencing some slippage throughout the night. Let's zoom in a little bit. Take a look here. It was initially gone green a little bit and looked like it was going to maybe attempt to run higher, but our volume was flatlined last night and RSI was already pointing down, so it just continued the slump. We are at a new low as of this morning, and let's see, is there any sign of hope yet? No, not on the day chart. There's nothing yet. So just continue to stay out of it for right now. Here. That's better. Oh boy. All right, let's roll into Litecoin. LTC USD on the one-day chart for Coinbase looks a lot like Bitcoin, and we are currently at $23.14. This is, it's not a buy, not yet. ZRX, hold your cash, don't buy it. Basic attention token on Coinbase one day. Hold your cash. Yeah, this thing has been falling off. We don't have much data, but I there's enough here for me. ZEC. Nope. Hold your cash. Let's move over to Tron. Tron is actually performing. Yeah, boy. Who's that dude with he got the big clock, on his chest? What was that guy's name? He was funny. He used to say that all the time. Yeah, boy. All right. So anyway, Tron is looking good, continuing to move higher. It's reaching for the stars. I believe it's going to reach our target up here. Good things happening. Slow and steady wins the race, and that's what Tron's up to right now. Let's move on to Digibyte. Okay, this is interesting. Right off the bat, we've got 2 solid days in a row of an uptick. We've flirted with going above the 9-day. I'm going to tell you this. If this guy gets some continuation to the upside, we could be heading towards running for a while. Okay. Yeah, I like what I see here on Digibyte. It's not a buy yet, but if we can put a foothold firmly above that 9-day right here, all indicators are go. We've got increasing volume, RSI's ticking up. Yeah, I love this. This is good. Not buying it yet, but I probably would put in I wouldn't put in a stop buy just yet. I'd have to wait. It's kind of a wait and see. But yeah, showing some strength. Let's keep an eye on that. Don't get in it yet. Just hold on. Theta. Theta. Kicking myself for not pulling profit off of this thing. I just wasn't watching it that good, and darn it. I probably should have sold it back here on this red candle. That probably would have been a good one for coming down here. And yeah, it doesn't seem to be any turnaround for it just yet. Proppy, P-R-O. Proppy on the one-day chart is going down, unfortunately. Populous also going down. Not bad. It's mostly just sideways. Populous is trying to figure out what to do. OMG. Still down. Hold your cash. Pay. All right. So yesterday, this is good. I'm glad we're here. Yesterday we had already seen this death cross. It was coming down, but I said never fear, don't fear the death cross just yet. Even though we were coming down, we had a red candle here with just a slight bit of a reversal on the green. My advice yesterday was don't sell it yet. And we were rewarded with it going up all this way. Okay, so wait for the market to tell us what to do. Let the market lead. This is a great example of that. Even when you're not sure, let the market give you a clear signal, a clear reversal before getting out. Otherwise, it can do this. This is fantastic. I'm glad to see this. Feels good to. That was the right decision to just stay in it and wait. Yeah. So where's pay going? It was last night that we pulled some Fibonacci numbers. Here you go. I'm gonna do it. We're doing it live. Okay. Last night I pulled some Fibonacci numbers with Dave, and I said, "This is possible, right?" Go to the 618. I also said that this is possible, and this is possible. Anything's possible, but I was favoring this guy right here as my target. So a lot of times, the market, a safe bet is to put a stop sell in at the 5 and just don't get greedy. Notice that we ran up almost to the 0.382 and then gave a hard reversal, but the market has other ideas to go higher. So this is null and void. We're heading up towards target 1, target 2, target 3. I'm thinking target 2, but we shall see. Who knows? The reason why I don't think it'll go very high is because the rest of the market is so bear. If the rest of the market was going bull, I think you'd get more people jumping into this. So I think realistically this is probably it, but I'm shooting for that. That's my hope and dream right here. All right, so now you kind of have an idea of what I'm thinking about with this. Let's move on to human IQ, humanique. Real bad. Stay out of it. Okay. XLM. Oh boy. Is just more terrifying sadness for XLM. Stellar Lumens has just been dumping, and it's just it's reaching terminal velocity right now and is dropping real hard. So glad to be in cash on this bad boy. Okay, Ripple. Okay, everybody loves Ripple right now. I just see so many great videos out about Ripple and how you gotta buy it, and it's amazing. Here are my thoughts on Ripple. Let's get into the big chart, zoom it out. Okay, here's what I think you're gonna see with Ripple. And don't hate me if you're a Ripple fan. I don't care. I think you're gonna see almost an all-time low. That's my thoughts. It's like everything else right now. It's in a bear market, but I think you're almost going to see an all-time low. Maybe that was a little rough. Yeah, that might have been a little rough. But I could see it going to here. So that is at 0.21. We're at 0.28. So let's zoom in a little bit here. Yeah, that I think that's right. I think you're going to break this low. See these lows here? I think you're going to come down a little bit beyond that. And then Ripple will be really cheap. And even if you hate it, you might want to buy it just to hold it. You never know. Couldn't hurt. It'll be real cheap by then. So, why not? Let's look at the indicators. Okay, so indicators are don't sell it, diminishing volume, and we have a death cross. So it's already bad, and now you're getting another death cross. So, like, it's like kicking them when they're down. It's really what it is. Okay, ADA. Everybody loves Cardano. That's cool, but it's not a buy yet. It's close. It certainly is close, but it's just not. It's just not there yet. Yeah, we're not. We're battling to get higher, and a little sideways action there, showing really no strength. Just sideways action. Tezos. Okay. Tezos is interesting. More sideways, but we're getting an uptick in volume. That's good. Keep an eye on it. Pundy going down. Yeah, it's boy. It was kind of looking good back here, like it could really take off, but it just when we got a RSI death cross, it continued down, 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 down. So yeah, unfortunately, that's not a buy. Hold on to the cash. QLC is getting close. I like this one because we're above the 9. We're getting an uptick in volume. And hello, RSI running up. That's good. That's good. Just wait till that RSI gets to the 50. Okay? When it gets to the 50, you might see a nice uptick in volume here, or in volume and in price. So, yeah, QLC, we will hold on and hopefully get some green shoots out of this thing. Aeon, hold your cash. Bitcoin Cash. Okay, guys. I don't know if you're still holding Bitcoin Cash. SV. Yeah, I don't know what you're doing. You just love losing. So we were talking about this back here. Sell it. This was the scary one right here, right? This is where it started getting nasty. And then we got more bad news, more bad news. It just, don't be in this. Stay out. I don't care how much you love those guys at Bitcoin Cash. They're all weirdos. Weirder than me. Oh. Okay. Dogecoin. Doji. This one just tickles my fancy, boy. Doge is secretly the real Bitcoin. It's doing good, right? There, let's put our little arrow back up. There you go. I said we were going to go above top side of the Kumo cloud, and by golly, we're headed that way. We got a golden cross on the 9 and 50. We're running up every day. More volume comes in. It's looking good. We just had a golden cross on RSI a little bit ago, 2-3 days back. It's just a marvelous day to be a Doge holder. So, and then again, I'm going to go back in time on this. Do you remember this guy back here? Oh, was it this one? That might have been it. No. Yeah, it was. That was it. I'm sorry. April 2017? Yeah, that's it. So it kind of went up like this. It gave a nice little fake out. We said, "Oh, look at that. It's really going well," right? And it pulled back, but it stayed green on volume. I got to zoom in on this cuz remember, this is the day chart here. Let's pump that up. I want to get a good look at that. Okay, so yeah, even though you see RSI was coming down right here, boom, it hit the bottom, and then RSI came back up, and it coincided with it coming down, hitting the bottom, and then running back up. So, yeah, this thing could have a shallow pullback and then run harder, higher, bigger, faster, more. Interesting. Okay, so Doge. It's funny that Doge is like the one to look at right now, the joke coin, because this market kind of is a joke, right? It's like right now, it's like it's totally getting hammered. The bulls are nowhere to be seen. The bears are just slaughtering anything that tries to poke its head up, except for Tron and Pay. Okay, sweet. 10x Pay. Now, here's the FA on Pay. Okay, the fundamental analysis, not just the TA. I showed you TA. Here's the FA. The FA is that 10x Pay, the Pay token, is going to now release a 10x token. Okay, so it's confusing. This is the Pay token that you're looking at. They're going to release a 10x token. And I believe it's to skirt around SEC guidelines, as well as it being a security, things like that. So the only way to get Pay token, the only way to get the new 10x token is to hold Pay. But here's the catch. You cannot be a U.S. citizen. And they probably exclude at least 20 other countries as well. So it's like, it's really bad. It's really messed up. So all I'm going to do is just take my profit off of these pumps. And I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know. Maybe I'll just roll it into Bitcoin. That's right. I really don't know. I'm just going to take my profit off of this, roll it right back into Bitcoin. Or cash until Bitcoin starts performing. That might be the other thing. So, all right. Well, that's all I got for today, guys. Hope you are having a wonderful weekend. Happy Saturday. God bless you guys. I'm going to go ride the bikes with the kids, and we'll probably pick up a Christmas tree today. That's pretty fantastic. All right. I'm Aaron, and I'm out. See you guys.